Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a topic that many find exciting yet challenging: how to save $10,000 in a year. Let's delve into some realistic and actionable steps to reach this financial milestone. First, it's crucial to create a detailed budget. Track every income and expense. Use apps or spreadsheets to visualize where your money goes. This will help you identify and cut unnecessary spending. Next, automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit into a savings account every month, treating it like a non-negotiable expense. This reinforces a habit of saving consistently. Look for areas in your daily life where you can cut back. Simultaneously, try to increase your income. Consider side hustles or freelance gigs that could boost your savings. Saving $10,000 in a year requires discipline and smart financial planning. With these steps, you're well on your way to achieving that goal. Stay committed and watch your savings grow.